Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I could afford a weekend to Miami for just $400. Yes, $400 took me to Miami, like flight covered, food, hotel, every single thing covered in just $400 for a weekend in Miami, and I had fun to an extent. But anywho, I'm about to show you like the tricks and tips. It's tested, it's trusted. I'm giving it to you right now. I'm dicing it and giving you guys to eat, so you're welcome. I did the research. Now you guys go have fun in Miami. Okay, I don't know. But anywho, in this video I'm about to show you how exactly what I did, the pricing for every single thing I did, and literally it amounted to just $400. I have it here written. I'm about to share it with you guys. Just go grab a drink, sit down and watch this video. It's educational. Let's start. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. First important detail to note is that I live in Houston, Texas. I don't know why that's important to note, but I mean, flights might differ from what state to what state. But let's start with the person or the airline I flew with. I flew with Spirit. Oh Lord, yeah, I mean, the time when I'm not Spirit now, but flying with Spirit, I don't know. I just keep hearing bad things about them on TikTok. And to be honest, they're not exactly wrong, but like you truly feel I don't have to explain the experience to you. For the price I got it for, you know what, let's not talk about the experience. We're talking about cheap things here. Let's talk about the price. So I flew with Spirit. My flight too, because I think I left on the 20th. My flight was supposed, okay, so my vacation was supposed to be from the, please don't go in front of the camera. Ugh. Are you serious, Zuko? You promised to not interrupt my video. Okay guys, I have to find another video solution because my cat has decided to lay by the window. Okay, so he moved. Hopefully he doesn't come back. He's heading out as we speak. I didn't do anything to him. He just decided to head out by himself. Okay, so where was I? Let's start with flights. I feel like I said it before, so let's come to flights. So now I flew with Spirit, which I already said. But anyway, the flight, so my holiday was from 17th of September to like the 19th of September, right? So my flight to Fort Lauderdale, Miami was $31 with Spirit. $31. That's like Uber from my house to downtown. Like seriously, I paid Uber money for flights, which is, how did I find the deal? Well, I didn't find it. All my friend, okay, so here's the thing. I never on my own just want to go out. If I go out, it's because somebody said, okay, let's go out. So this particular person who said, okay, let's go out, had to give me a reason to want to go out. So she said, oh, hey, Bethel, I found flights at $31 to Miami. Do you want to come? I'm like, is that even a question? That was like the first selling point for me, like $31 flight, Spirit. So they just send you random deals to your email. So I'll just say maybe subscribe for Spirit newsletter. They have good deals. When I say they have good deals, they have good deals. Now that $31 is not for every day. There are particular days and times for that particular price. So you have to compromise and choose. So the price going was $31. But here's the catch about Spirit. You pay for every single thing, even water. They don't even give you water. Oh my gosh, I just realized my viewers might be non-Nigerian, so I have to calm down with the accent. But even like with water, I don't know how it's pronounced. Well, you guys know what I'm talking about. Please forgive the accents. I know it's strong, but manage. So even with like water, okay, I'm just going to skip this part. But even with like water, with Spirit, you pay for every single thing. At some point, they're going to start charging you for the air you breathe at the plane. They're getting to that point. But they don't give you anything in the plane, not even water. You pay for everything, literally. So that being said, the only thing they let you carry is your personal belonging. You don't have hand luggage. If you want to carry hand luggage, you pay extra for hand luggage. If you want to have like regular luggage that goes in the trunk, you pay extra for that one too. So $31 was just to sit down inside the cabin. So now I had to pay $35 for extra for like the luggage, regular luggage. So now here's the thing with $35. I'm going for just 4 days. Literally, my stuff fits into my personal belonging. But here's the things. I had like creams and like liquid like makeup and shoes that couldn't fit in my hand luggage. That's why I went with into my personal belonging, and that's why I decided to pay for luggage separate. But here's the thing, that $35, me and my friends, so me and my friends split that $35. 5 of us we're going to share that box, put our shoes and any other random extra stuff we had that did not fit our personal belonging. So I ended up paying $7 for that extra one. So if we're doing the math here, $31 for the flights, then $7 for extra, for the load. That amounts to $38. So to leave Houston to fly to Miami, I paid just $38. If that's not a deal, I don't know what is, to be honest. If that's not a deal, I don't know what is. So I paid $31. So now coming back to Houston, I found a flight for $31 too. But that flight was supposed to be for like 9 a.m. And my friends, for some reason, people I was flying with, did not want to come back to Houston till like 3. I don't know why, but they didn't want to come back to Houston till like 3. So I just had to compromise and pay $61, which I think is still very, very good to come back at 3 with them. Because if I had come back at 9 a.m., which there was a flight for $31, I would have just paid 31. But I decided to come back at 6 with them, so $30 extra. I mean, no big deal. I really feel like this is I'm cheating the system at this point. So I paid 61 plus $7 again for the luggage. So that amounted, so my whole for the plane to and fro plus luggage and everything was $92. Return tickets 92, bro. I literally just took Uber to Miami at this point. So everything was $92 for a return ticket. So now going to, let me just give you like a quick, how it was supposed to happen. We were supposed to go with like a group of 20 friends. At the end of the day, just 8 people went because everybody kept canceling. They had exams. This is the da. So a lot of things lost. Less people, I don't know. The more the merrier, but when planning things together, it's the less the better. I'm not saying I didn't miss those guys. I really wish they came too. Yeah, but we're supposed to be 20 who went. We ended up being just 8. So now, getting to Miami, I definitely have to move myself from one location to the other. So I decided to go for a rental car. So now with the rental car, the website I used to check for the rental cars, please don't come front of the camera again, please. The website I used to find my rental car was Hopper or Where. Hopper, I don't know if Hopper is a site, it's an app though. Actually, Hopper was one I used for my hotel and the rental car. So I used Hopper to look for the rental car and also booking.com to look for the rental car. Here's the thing with the rental car. I saw one for $9 a day, but then I had to ask the other girls, would you guys want to pay this price? So they didn't reply me on time. At midnight I saw it, so it went up to like 13 per day. My point is, you can find cars for as low as $8 a day on booking.com. Literally, I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but this makes me so happy. Car for $9, actually $8 a day to move around Miami. Like, imagine I was taking Uber from the airport to the hotel would literally cost me like about $40 on its own, but I literally saved that. But okay, so at the end of the day, I ended up paying $201 for the rental car, and that's because I couldn't find that $8 deal again. If you find a deal, take it there and then. They can always refund the money. Just if you find a deal and you know that that's the best, take it. I think I ended up paying like 13, and then so now here's the thing again. The reason why I ended up paying 201 was because I'm not up to 25. So if you're below 25, they add like fees because they don't trust you. They think you're responsible. I don't know who created the system, but the system is broken. They need to fix it for people like me who are responsible. I want to travel. But anywho, so I ended up paying 201 because I'm not up to 25. But if I was 25, my would have been like literally almost just $100. I paid double because I was not up to 25. So if I was 20, so what we did for the car was we divided ourselves for the car and the hotel. Since we're 8 people, right, we divided ourselves into groups of 2. So like everybody who slept in the same hotel room split the bills for the hotel and for the car too. So like my car group was my hotel room group. So it was very easy to split the bills like that. So even if it was 201, at the end of the day, we divided that by four because four was always going to be in the car, and we ended up paying $50 for a rental car for 3 days. If that's not a deal, I don't know what is. $50 for a rental car for 3 days in Miami. That's literally going to be the price for like Uber from the airport to the hotel, but we split that for like the whole 3 days. So the only thing we paid for the car was $50. And again, so even though I used booking.com, the actual company I rented from was economy. If you guys saw my other video about how I was renting, about how they gave me a broken down car, but they included some. Can you please move your tail? They included some charges that should have not been there, and I tried to get my money back, but they just have a horrible customer service economy. But it was still cheap, even with the like inflated charges that they added for some reason which I don't understand. But anyway, I still feel like $50 was still cheap for like a car for 3 days after dividing it. So that's how much I paid for the car. So now for the hotel, I found cheap hotel. I found nice cheap hotels. For some reason, the other girls I traveled with wanted to stay in a very, very, very bougie 5-star hotel, which I had no issue with. Just, I'm broke, so I'll go for the cheapest options first. So eventually, I went with their hotel because it wouldn't make sense being in a different hotel than in a different hotel, want to do some activities. It's not going to be time consuming going from one hotel to the other. So I just like, okay, yeah, I'm going to be in a hotel with you guys. But even if we went for like a bigger hotel and more expensive hotel, we still got like a very good deal. So we slept at the Pullman Miami Airport Hotel, and we got it for a very good deal. So actually for that one, I got mine for my hotel room. I booked it on Traveluro. I think that's how it's pronounced. I'll put the link somewhere here. But I booked it on Traveluro. Now, after I booked it, I was so scared because there was no reviews on this website, nothing, but it wasn't a scam after all. I was really scared it was a scam. But we got the hotel room for $381 for, was that 3 nights? Actually, if you actually calculate it, it's actually 4 nights or 3 nights because, the other nights came late. But yeah, we paid $381 for the 3 nights, which is, I don't know how much per day. Okay, that's actually $127 per night, which is not bad for what we got. So again, we divided this by 4 because we were 4 that slept in the room. It came with 2 double beds, so 2 people on each bed. So at the end of the day, we ended up paying $105 per person for the hotel stay for like the whole trip. If you're going to divide that per night, 105 divided by 3, I don't know how to calculation. If you want to calculate it. But like in total, we paid $105, for the whole stay per person. So now if you calculate the rental car, the flight, the extra money we paid for luggage, the hotel, everything, each person paid $254. Yeah, $254. That's a deal. Like, we could have gotten it cheaper if we actually went for because the hotels we found some for like $86 per night, nice hotels. But then they really wanted the Pullman Miami Airport, which I'm not against. It was really nice. I loved every bit of it. As a matter of fact, I have a tour which I posted on the other vlog. Sorry, my cat is distracting me. He's usually lying there in front of the camera, so I can't see myself right now. Yes, please go away. He's gone. Okay, so yeah, everybody paid $254 per person for like the hotel, car, and everything. So now let's talk about the activities we had. So now on the first day, you guys saw my vlog, so you guys usually know everything we did. So you guys saw my vlog. If you saw my vlog, if you didn't, I'm going to link it up here. But if you saw my vlog, you probably know everything I did in Miami. So I'm going to give you the breakdown and the price of everything we did. So now for the first day, we went to Urban Air. We're supposed to go to other places, but then for some reason they decided to go to Ross in the morning. Watch the vlog for all details. I'm not going to give you guys details what did and why we did it. But first day we went to Urban Air and we paid $37 to like do everything at Urban Air. To be honest, don't go to Urban Air there if you're coming from different states. It's not worth it. That one was it. It wasn't a waste of money. It was still like the okay price, but might have done something else. We're supposed to go to the museum, but like the timing, they already closed and everything. So that was Friday, right? We went to Urban Air and then we ate at the Brazilian restaurant, which I show you guys in my vlog. And the food there, I don't remember the exact price I paid, but I don't think it was more than 25. So I'll just calculate 20. I don't think I'll have paid more than 25. I don't think it was more than that because I didn't even drink anything because that day I was really frustrated because that was the day the car broke down. So for that first day, we didn't have breakfast. Actually, we kind of did, but somebody else paid for all of us, so I'm not calculating that money. We had McDonald's or was it Wendy's? I don't know, we had something for breakfast. We didn't have lunch, so that was lunch and dinner. So for that first day, the only thing I spent was 35 plus 20, 37 plus 20. The only thing we spent on the first day for like hangout and fun was 57. That's the price of one drink at the bar. We spent just 57 for like hang out. And me personally, I don't know what the other people spent because some people bought drinks and the rest, but I didn't. But personally, I spent 57 on the first day, just Friday. Now Saturday we went to the beach, which is free. So we went to the beach. I think we paid for, did we pay for parking? Yes, we paid for parking. I forgot to include this here. So we paid for parking. Let's say parking was $15. Yeah, the beach was free, but parking was $15. So now after the beach we went to Sugar Factory. They have overpriced drinks in that place. I just took a milkshake. The other girls like drinks that cost like $50. It looked beautiful, I wouldn't lie, but I'm not going to pay $50 for a drink. I'd rather take pictures of somebody else's and post on my Instagram. People think about it. Oh, nobody's gonna know. Okay, so for my food, I paid about $30, which I think is still overpriced. My storage got filled midway filming. So I think I stopped on the second day. So beach was free, paid $15 for parking. Food was like $30 approximately at Sugar Factory. So after that, when we went home, we were supposed to go eat at the Versace mansion. Like that was our plan right from Houston. But we discovered that the Versace mansion and Sugar Factory literally like very close to each other, and that was where the beach too was. So we wanted to like, you know, so we wanted to go like somewhere else. I was in a different part of so we ended up opting to go to a different place. I don't remember the name of the place we went to go eat at, but my food cost no more than $15 because all I had were empanadas, and I think they were like $8, but I'm just going to see 15 here. So if we add that up, we have 15 plus 30 plus 15 for Saturday. 15 plus 30 plus 15, that was that's 30 plus 30, that was $60 for Saturday. So the total money I spent for like every flight and everything was $254. Then on Friday I spent $57, and then on Saturday I spent $60. So if 57 plus 60, let's say approximately $120. 120 plus $254. I'm bad at math, I have to write it down. 4 7 $374. So now let me include money that I used for other things, because I know I bought gas, but I still split the gas money with like the other girls. So the gas was approximately like $4 per person. So let's add $4 to that, and then let's say random things that I may have spent money on, which I do not recall. I really don't think I spent money on anything else which I don't recall right now, but just random things to approximately $400. I feel like that's maybe not the best deal I could have gotten, but that's a deal to travel to Miami for a vacation for $400. I didn't do much. I didn't like, you know, hang out like, you know, I was going to jet ski and everything, but we just didn't have the time, and I'm not mad at any of the things I did. I'm still happy I did the things I did. So it was quite reasonable for the things we did. $374, that's a steal. So, like I said, the websites I used for the hotel was Traveluro, and I also used saw perfectly nice hotels on Hopper. I just didn't go with Hopper, but Hopper is a perfect app to also look for flight tickets and hotels and rental cars too. You can do everything on Hopper, to be honest. This is not sponsored by any of them, by the way. I mean, even though they should sponsor me. The flights I used Spirit, like I said, Expedia and Booking.com. I found my rental car on Booking.com, even though I looked on Expedia too. So these are all tools you can use, and you'll find good deals. Next, I'm going to like start traveling, because if it's going to cost me just $400 to travel, I mean, if you're not in the United States and you're watching this video, you probably think that $400 is like an extremely high amount to pay for like a vacation. Trust me, it's not the cheapest you get. People spend like $1,000 and above for 2-day vacations, and I'm not even joking. So this was a perfectly good deal. If you have any questions about like anything, you can ask in the comment section. But thank you for sticking till this point of the video. Thanks for watching the video to this point. I'm posting like a series of vlogs about traveling to Nigeria and other things, so watch those videos too for more travel tips, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.